Before start the Redux Saga, first we know the concept related to generator function, because Redux Saga is based on the generator function. And what is the generator function? If you want to know the definition, then in JavaScript, a generator function is a special type of function that can pause its execution and later resume from where it left off. If we talk about the normal function, then if the execution of normal function is start, then it stop until the function is returned. Means in middle of the function, the execution of the function is not stopped. But in case of generator function, uh, the function is stopped in middle of the execution and do some their logic, or any any work that you give to the function, and then it again restart the execution. Like if we write the generator function, then simply write function, then in front of the function type star and the function name. Generator function, I want to name this function as generator function. And in simple function, that if I type simple function, like function simple function, here if I type a is equal to 2, b is equal to a plus 2, return c, return p. And if I console simple function and I run the code, then you see the output is 4. Here in simple function, the execution is start from here and stopped at last, here return. But in case of generator function, if I in case a simple function, there is a keyword is used as return, but in generator function, here we use as yield. Yield is same as the return, but the difference between yield and return is that yield, the execution of in case of simple function, if function is returned, then after return the execution is not be you can't be start execution after return. But in case if this function is returned here, then this function is also start from after the yield. So this is the main difference between yield and return. And if I type yield a, then and I want to print yield p here, and in between I want to print like is equal to 2, and here b is equal to a plus 2. And if I print, but before that I want to show something. First I take this as a variable and check if we print this, then what we get in output. Here you check uh, if we print the simple this variable, then the output of this variable is kept in the form of object. So if we execute this further, then simply we can use as next. And if I print again or run the code, here yield, okay, first here I define a is equal to 2, and yeah, here is check the value is equal to 2, and here done is false, because after a there is another yield which is b. And again if I type next, then what the output we get, that is equal to false, because here it again do some logic or calculation. And if again, then you get true. Same this behavior Redux Saga is also work. So this is the some basic concept related to generator function, that how generator function is work. And from next video we will do some coding and change Redux thanks to Redux Saga. Okay, thank you.